Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life and in your studies also. So this is the video for the 10-day series which I am running for English. Okay, English questions and I will show you my approach of solving the questions, and after that you can use it in the mock test and examination, and it will definitely help you. And if you want to purchase this book, then the link is given in description. From there you can go, and the link given is pinned comment is for all the 4000 questions book. You can use those links to purchase any book. Okay, and if you want to connect to me, then you can join my Telegram channel. The link is given in description. Now I will start with the questions. So these are the question which we are going to solve. We will solve error detection question. Okay, first we will see the instruction. So it is written that we have to find the wrong thing. Okay, wrong part of the sentence. So first we will read. Some people do not know the means of chivalry and gratitude. So it is written that some people do not know the means of chivalry and gratitude, and here the wrong thing, which is this word means, because means is like a source of something. Okay, and when we use mean as a noun, then it is used for income. Okay, and no is rarely used with means, because means is the source of something when it is used like means. And here no is not used with means, it is used with meaning. Some people do not know the meaning of chivalry and gratitude, so here meaning should be there rather than means. Then next question. The kitchen was in a complete mess. The window panes were broken, the furniture toppled, and the cutlery was in pieces. So here the kitchen was in a complete mess. The window panes were broken, the furniture toppled, and the cutlery was in pieces. So here we can see that the helping verb is used with kitchen, then the helping verb is also used with window panes. The window panes were broken, and the furniture, here no helping verb is used, but the furniture of helping verb should be here. Okay, so the furniture was toppled and the cutlery was in pieces. So here the error lies in this part. Here was should be there. Okay, because every other thing has the helping verb, but furniture was not having the helping verb, so we will use helping verb with furniture also. Then there is this. In this also we have to find the error. And United opposition in the Lok Sabha on Monday attacked the Narendra Modi government over the detention of National Conference leader and Lok Sabha member Farooq Abdullah, calling it illegal and demanded his immediate release so that he could attend the winter session. So here the error is in the form of article error. Okay, here it is written an united opposition, and united is giving the sense of year, united. So a should be used because it is not giving the sound of vowel a, e, I, o, u. It is starting with u, but it is giving the sound of other year. Okay, united, not united. Okay, united. So it is not giving the sense of vowel, so a will be there with united, a united opposition. Okay, so this is the way you have to find the errors with your grammar basics also. Then there is this. 3 parts are given and alternate sentence is given. Okay, so we have to determine the parts that may require correction. All right, first we will read. Long ago, the scheming of installing solar panels had been approved by the technologically department, but due to obdurate higher management, the same could not be implemented in the office premises. Long ago, the scheme of installing solar panels had been approved by the technological department, but due to obdurate higher management, the same could not be implemented in the office premises. So here we know that always scheme is used rather than scheming. So long ago, the scheme of installing solar panels, there is a scheme, not scheming. So it is right, it will replace, had been approved by the technological department, technologically. So it is technologically is the thing by which something is done, but the department is technological, not technologically. So it will also replace. Then but due to obdurate higher management, the same could not be implemented. So first and second, error lies in first and second, and they will replace. Okay, so this is the way to solve these type of questions. And the next topic which you want me to solve the questions of any topic which you will tell, I will solve. Okay, otherwise I will make the next video on parajumbles. So that is it for this video. Thank you and have a nice day.